Dude, what's wrong?
Cody?
Yes?
Good thing that sick kid got away.
So, Cody, I hear you've been feeling kind of down.
Yeah, I've had symptoms like... like the common flu.
Well, have you had your flu shot yet?
Yeah, I had my flu shot.
Well, the only other thing I could think of involves, like, being around polar. Have you been around any wild birds lately?
Not lately. Except I do work on a farm, and that was like 3 weeks ago.
Would you work with, like, waste or, like, other situations?
Yeah, I love the chickens. I work with them 24/7, whatever it is.
Well, you might have the bird flu.
The bird flu? Are you serious?
The symptoms are just like the common cold, except you don't really know when you're gonna get it. It could be years later.
Really?
But it sounds like you have it.
Is there any way you can save me?
Well, I've seen this once before. So what we're gonna do is...
It's too late. I can see the lights. I can see the lights. We have a code one.
Where did he go? Is that... Did that guy just die of the bird flu?
Yes.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We're all gonna die. I want my dragon back. I want my dragon back. And that is what happens when the bird flu strikes. Terror reigns, mental breakdown occurs, hugging up little stuffed animals. Animals may be allowed in the waiting room. Do not panic. 2012 is fast approaching.
In Southeast Asia. What are you doing?
I'm killing the infected poultry and various mammals.
Why?
Because they will mutate the disease and we will all die. Like this. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
This is breaking news. The bird flu has struck again. Now, whether it was the real disease or just the fake vampire-looking weirdo guy that has struck it many times, and it's raining popcorn. I wonder who that was from. Well, anyway. This is very tasty. I wonder if the person that used this had bird flu. This is... You're experiencing a great death rate. The incubation period, the time which it takes for you to get infected to the time of death, is approximately 3 weeks. So watch out. Treatment, unknown. While there is treatment, you can die. Then you'll save yourself from the scariness of the dragon and the mental breakdown. Other than that, preventive measures, don't buy from China. Made in China is bad. Burn everything made in China. China tried going with paint and lead and baby food and dog food
Toys.
and toys.
Hands up, I'm dead.
See, this dead guy can attest to how bad the bird flu. How bad was that bird flu?
It was pretty bad until I died. They're like in heaven, but now I'm back out here. You know?
How do you know you're not in heaven already?
Because you're here.
I'm higher than you thought. I am the great ruler. So, that's how we prevent the bird flu. Very interesting.
Dude, you said you're dying.
Yeah, I've had a bad case of the flu.
This is the bird flu researching how to kill people. Going back into bird flu mode.
Bird flu mode. Wait, what's your role in this scene, Derek? Derek, what's your role in this scene?
I'm gonna be the death for the bird flu.
No, dude, I should go.
Oh, I thought Bro was death for the bird flu.
No, I have to have one sword. No, I'm be the death, and then you gotta be the vaccine.
I'm the vaccine.
No, okay, you have to be behind her.
Is there even a vaccine? No, dude, let me do this and then I'll
Here,
get
just put this on the back.
Let me get my Santa hat.
Wait, let's just start. Okay.
Stanley? No, I should find something that looks like a chicken. This is... Okay. I saw that coming. This is a...
I'm the bird flu. I'm telling you. Why have you been puffing the magic dragon? The bird flu has struck again. Watch out, youngins. Tell never to trust any sources from Derek, Cody, Sarah, or Brett, because we just want to kill the world, as demonstrated here. Let's start this.
It's resistant to heat, and the only thing is sneezing. So go to like 2.
Fair.
Okay, see, these are all the planes and the boats going back and forth.
Okay.
You get more points for the more infections.
Healthy population. Yeah, by the time we're done with that number right there is going to be right there. In about 2 seconds.
Okay, now go to disease, because we have 20 points. Just do like cell sneezing, because that's really noticeable, and then do fever. Okay, and then go to resistance and just buy all those. Buy all the ones that you can.
How about this? This is pretty sweet. This is what some large beer belly people tend to have this problem. Oh, we can't buy anymore. Oh, that's sad. Okay, well, I guess we'll get some more drug resistance, because drug resistance is great.
We have 2, so we can't buy anything yet. We just need to wait. And if you even want to keep going, go to triple.
Okay, stop. Stop.